Hi, this is Rupesh Kumar. I'm here to explain you about how you need to do the Oracle SWA 12c installation in your system. For this, I'm writing one blog for installation. For this, need to is you need to download two softwares first. First one is the Oracle SWA 12c jar file. That is, it's available in the Oracle site and supported JDK for that jar. And after that, how you need to do the installation, I am explaining you that first you need to install the JDK first. What is the JDK? You need to install first. For this, double click on the JDK installation and click on next, and after that click on next and finish that JDK installation. And after that you have the Oracle SWA 12c jar file. So if you are extracting these things, and it will extracted, and two files are generated for this. Two jar files are there. First one is the SOA quick start and SOA quick start 2. So first one we need to take for the installation. So how you need to do that one? First you need to extract that jar. So first go to your window button in your system, and after that what you need to do is here you need to choose that CMD you need to type. Okay, so right click on that CMD, and after that run as administrator you need to choose. Okay, click on yes. Okay, this window has appeared. Okay, so and after that what you need to do is that jar file, two jar files you have for the Oracle 12 installation jars. Okay, so first jar you need to take quick start jar. Okay, so where you place this jar, go to this folder, that folder, like in the C drive you have, or in the desktop you are kept that one. So take that one, take that path of that things. So I am explaining about how you are taking this that my path is like C drive and custom, that software, and this path you need to take the first jar path. Okay, to execute that one, some commands we need to write in the CMD, that java space dash jar space the path of that quick start jar. Okay, so after the extraction of the jar, it will appears one window. It will appear one window, that is this window. It will appear like that: Oracle Fusion middleware 12c SOA quick start. So installation is going on. Then after that this window is coming. Okay, so welcome window, click on next, and after that uh, here you need to specify the Oracle home path. Oracle home path, it's generally the C drive and Oracle, then after that middleware Oracle home. So it will keep it like that, and click on next, and after that it will check the your operating system, what you install in your system, that will genuine or not. Some certification it will check, and after that in the JDK Java version it will check. It will pass, then um, it will appear like green tick mark. So both are green tick marks, and after that you click on the next button, So after that, this type of windows appear, and click on the click on the install button. After that, so it will appear like that. It will take some more time, like 1 hour like this, to complete these things. So it will complete it like this. Okay, 100% it will appears, and click on the next button, and tick mark on the start JDeveloper, and click on finish button. And after that, the installation is completed. So the JDeveloper is your JDeveloper will open. For me, it's already installed. So I will tell you after that what you need to do is, first you need to go to the help tab and click on the check for updates. So click on next button. So for me it's installed already. So for you, if you are doing in your system, so it will appears one this IDE extension SDK. So you need to click on that. Okay, you need to tick mark on that and click on next button. So it will install properly, and it will one pop-up will come, and you need to restart your JDeveloper. So the 12 installation will be finished. It will be more easier as compared to 11G installation. And if you are not doing that this updation, IDE updation in your JDeveloper, so when you are open any application, show application, you are creating any show application, so the show attire option is not coming there. So that is the problem. So you need to do that updation part. Okay, and that's all from my side. And I think it will be really helpful for you to install the Oracle 12c installation. Keep smiling, and do subscribe my channel, and please like my channel. Thank you so much.